guys, so this is a collaboration with me and the wonderful Marlene and Aymone. This is of course New York City inspired. So I chose to go with some green eyes and red lips, and the red lipstick that I use is Ho it's a retro matte, and it came out with the Riri collection or the Riri line or whatever. I think it's permanent now, not sure, please don't quote me. So I'm wearing that lipstick, and for the list of all the products I use is on my website, so just click the link in the description bar below and you'll see all the products that I used for this video. Also, I want to let you guys know that we're doing New York because I'm actually having hands-on makeup classes in New York from the 28th of December to from the 28th to the 30th of September. So if you need more information on that, it will be held in Brooklyn, New York. So if you want more information on that, just go ahead and email me at classes@lyricalchester.com. Marlene, my love, thank you so much. And of course, in true fashion, I have to wear my Lena lashes, and I am wearing Sasha, and I just added some long lashes at the end to kind of have my eyes flick out like that. So this look is very dramatic, and I chose, well, I think both of us are doing glitter, and I chose gold glitter and green glitter just to kind of mimic the New York nights, because it's very, from what I see and from what I will be seeing, is that it's kind of, you know, all lights and stuff. So that's how the glitter came in for me personally. Yeah, so that's it for this introduction. Thank you so much, you guys, for your support, and I love each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you in my next video.
Them for real, God know, God know. Someone living at the fast lane like Nova, so them sell out them friends like Judas as they pass over. Give them friends, they box them with the glass over. Burn them bridges as soon as them cross over. Me read my Bible and me pray, plead me cause. Oh, Jah no make bad mind junk me like somewhere can't sober. Already I am grudgeful, take them over. See them a pro, you feel what my weird like folder. But we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them in a target. Sell out to friends them like supermarket. From we have to target, and we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them in a target. We not sell out to friends them like supermarket. No way. God know, if I sell out, me fi sell out, me not rich at all. Violence me no promote, but me no snitch at all. From we soldier sale, we no itch at all. Bad mind no infect we brain, we not no glitch at all. No frame my friend them like no picture pan, no picture wall. We friends arise, we no wish a fall. We find out say some no real, but when the phone a ring we technical. Real friendship no really technical. Cause we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them be no target. We not sell out to friends them like supermarket. From we have to target, and we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them be no target. We not sell out to friends them like supermarket. No way. In a prayer, say God is the sun again. Show me the people who fake, no left none of them. We change like winter, spring and summer them. We leak information, need a plumber friend. Give we protection, God, from the crab in a jump. Keep we from the wicked with the maggie we numb. Father, elevate we friends them from out of the slum. Prosperity for them till thy kingdom come. Cause we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them be no target. We not sell out to friends them like supermarket. From we have to target, and we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them be no target. We not sell out to friends them like supermarket. No way. We keep it real with we friends, them no mask no wear. If we get a food a road, them we a go share. Not chat about me round my friends, them me a go hear. Because we make them combine brethren with beer. We no use the word friendship loosely. Friends no hear things a road and accuse me. They do nothing wrong with friends now boost me. Some of our friends we know so them a use me. But we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them be no target. We not sell out to friends them like supermarket. From we have to target, and we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them be no target. them for real. God know, God know. Someone living at the fast lane like Dover, so them sell out them friends like Judas at the pass over. Give them friends, they box them with the glass over. Burn them bridges as soon as them cross over. Me read my Bible and me pray, plead me cause. Oh, Jah no make bad mind junk me like somewhere can't sober. Already I am grudgeful, take them over. See them a pro, you feel what my weird like folder. But we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them be not target. We not sell out to friends them like supermarket. From we are to target. And we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them be not target. We not sell out to friends them like supermarket. No way. God no. If I sell out, me fi sell out, me not rich at all. Violence me not promote, but me not snitch at all. From we soldier sale, we not itch at all. Bad mind no infect we brain, we not no glitch at all. No frame we friend them like no picture pan, no picture wall. We friends arise, we no wish a fall. We find out say some no real, but when the phone a ring we technical. Real friendship no really technical. Cause we say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them be no target. We not sell out to friends them like supermarket. From we are to target. We say loyalty. We not gonna make we friends them be no target. We not sell out to friends them like supermarket. No way. In a prayer, say God is the sun again. Show me the people with fake, no left none of them. We change like winter, spring and summer them. We leak information, need a plumber friend. Give we protection, God from the crab in a jump. Keep it from the wicked with the maggie when numb. Father, elevate with friends them from out of the slum. Prosperity for them till thy kingdom come. Cause we say liar.